Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add a listing in the Facebook Marketplace so you can sell a product or something that you don't need anymore in your house. As you can see, you can sell a car, you can sell a home, you can sell a mobile phone, anything you want, you can sell it on Facebook in the marketplace of Facebook, as you can see. So to sell anything in the marketplace, there is two ways that you can add a listing. The first way is after logging in Facebook, you go here in the menu icon and click on it. And after that, as you can see, there is a list here called Create, and at the bottom of the list, there is an option called Marketplace Listing. Just click on Marketplace Listing, and here, as you can see, you can add your listing like you want. So the first thing that you must add to your listing is the photo or the picture. So just click Add Photo and then choose any photo and add it. Add your photo, the photo of the product, not your personal photo, of course. For example, this is a picture. And then you add a title. For example, I will say that I will sell an iPhone. For example, I add my title, which is iPhone, and then add a price for your product. For example, my product will be, I don't know, $500. And then choose a category, and as you can see, when I write the title iPhone here, as you can see in category, there is a suggestion. For example, here Facebook suggested that my item will be a mobile phone, so I can choose mobile phone. And then you choose the condition of the product. If the product or your product is new or like new or good or fair, you must choose the condition of the product. For example, I will say it's new. And as you can see, everything you do here, you can see it here in the listing preview. And then add description of your product. And then for the description, it's optional. If you don't want to write the description, you can skip it. And then go to availability, and here you must choose if you have a single item or a single product, or you have multiple products. And you choose multiple products if you are selling two or more products from the same thing. For example, you are selling two iPhones 10, or you are selling I don't know, two football jerseys, or two football I don't know, boots, or something like that. So for me, I will choose list a single item, and here you can choose the compatible cell phone. Here, if you are selling a gadget, not a phone, so you can skip it. Watch band material, we are not selling a watch band, watch, a smartwatch. Here, watch band size, so we are not selling a watch. Just we here. So watch band size, don't write anything because we are not selling a watch. And then you they are all optional, as you can see, optional. So here you can write also the color. For example, I'll say red, it's red. And here you can add product tags, for example, iPhone, and then just click enter, and then Apple, and click enter. The importance of the product tags, they may help you if someone do his research over one of these product tags. He may find your product. And here you can add an SKU. The SKU is the code that you can use it to know your product. And generally people use it when they have so many products, not for a single product. So it's optional and it's only visible to you, so you can skip it and don't use it. And here you add your location, so people know where are you located, and not you where the product is located. And then hide from friends. If you don't want to show this this listing to your friends, can just click on hide from friends and then click next. Here there is groups. You can find a group to publish this your listing and then click on publish. And just wait for a few minutes or seconds, and as you can see, this is our listing. You can mark it as sold. You can also do anything. You can delete it. You can mark it as pending. You can edit, do your edit as you want. For me, for example, I will delete it like that. He give me some questions. Okay, no, sold elsewhere. So in that way you can add a listing in an easy way in Facebook in just a few minutes. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and also to share this video with your friends. And see you in the next one.